Welcome back, guys. Today we're going to do an energized morning yoga routine in just 15 minutes. Okay, so what you're going to need for this session is a yoga block or maybe two. If you don't have a block, grab a roller. I have a brain fart. Those muscle rollers, oh, please someone in the comment section remind me what it's called. You can use one of those or a pillow, anything you can squash narrow, because we're going to place it on the spine. Okay, so let's start. We're going to start off lying on our backs, so slowly come onto your mat. We're going to start with sleeping abdominal stretch. So interlock your fingers, place it behind your head in the lower part of the head where the neck meets the head. Keep your shoulders and elbows on the floor. Then bend your knees. Glue the feet together and the knees together. Try to keep your knees together. As you exhale, use your core and drop the knees to the right. And look to the left with your head. If you can't, if your neck hurts, just look straight ahead to the ceiling. And we hold it, pressing your left hip forward, but do not lift your left shoulder. Inhale, use your core and lift the knees back up. And exhale, we drop the knees to the other side and look to the right. Pressing the right hip forward, but don't lift the right shoulder off the floor. Hold it. And inhale, slowly bring the knees back up and release your arms and straighten out. From here, we're going to loosen the hips. Your arms are just relaxed. We're going to do hip rotation. If I close my eyes, it's just because of the sun, but it's always good. You can close your eyes. It brings more awareness to your body and your breath. We're going to start with the right leg. We're going to inhale, lift the right leg slightly off the floor, keep both legs straight, and we're going to rotate clockwise. Inhale, take the leg to the left, over the body, and exhale down on the right. We're going to do up to 5. The whole body stays flat on the floor. The right hip might lift. Using your core to make the motion and not the lower back. And when you've done 5, don't put the leg down. We're going to go in the opposite direction. 1, 2. Try to synchronize the movement with your breath. And 1 more. Very good. And we're going to go to the left side, lift the left leg, also starting clockwise. So to the left, inhale to the left, and exhale down on the right. 1, 'Once you've done your 5, don't put the leg down. We're going the opposite direction. 1. Only make the rotation as large as your hips allow you. If there's some restriction, you can make the rotations a lot smaller. And the last one. Very good. And take a deep breath into your tummy and sigh it out through your mouth. And bring the legs together, flat on the floor. Bring your arms on the floor behind the head. We're gonna go into banana. So you're gonna make a banana shape, but keep the back of the body on the floor. So take your legs to the right and then take your shoulders to the right. So don't lift the left shoulder, keep it flat on the floor. So if you look at yourself from the top, you're in the shape of a banana and you feel the stretch out of the left hip, and we hold it. And inhale, come back to the center, and we're going to take everything to the other side. So take your legs to the left and the arms. Feel the stretch out of the right side, and we hold it. And inhale, come back to the center and relax your arms, bring them next to the body. We're going to stretch into the front of the leg and the foot and the back of the leg. So legs are straight, lift the right leg as high as you can without bending the knee, and the leg that's on the floor stays flat, don't let it pop up. And we're going to flex the right foot. As you inhale, flex. As you exhale, point. Inhale, flex, feel the stretch in the back of the leg. Exhale, point, feel the stretch in the front of the leg. And we're going to do 8 more. We're going to do up to 10. And when you've done your 10, relax the foot and using your core, bringing the leg slowly down. And we're going to go to the other side. So left leg up, right leg stays flat on the floor, and inhale, flex, and exhale, point. Up to 10. When you have completed your 10, take your time and then slowly lower the left leg. Very good. From here, we're going to sit up. You're going to get your knee, interlock the fingers, and use the straight leg. Keep the knee into the chest and up. If that's too hard for you, just turn onto your side, use the top hand and push yourself up into sitting. We're going to stretch into the hamstrings, so legs are straight. And we're going to bend the right knee and place the sole of the right foot against the left leg. If you can't and your foot only gets there, that's okay. Even if you have it there, it's okay. Okay? Okay. All right, keep your shoulders square to the left leg. So you don't want to reach with the one arm because now you can see the left shoulder is leading. You want to keep them equal. And inhale and exhale. Slide your hands next to the leg and come down. And inhale, slowly come back up. Again, exhale, chest to the knee. And inhale, come back up. Take your time. The next one, we're going to hold it. Exhale. And then hold it. And inhale, slowly come up. Very good. Straighten your right leg. We're going to go to the other side. So bend the left sole of the foot against the leg. And square shoulders. Inhale and exhale. We first do 2 dynamically. Exhale, chest to the knee. And inhale, slowly come up. Again, exhale. And inhale. We're going to hold the third one. Exhale. And just breathe normally while you hold it down here. And inhale, slowly come up and straighten out. Very good. Okay, we're going to now do back stretch pose. Make sure you're on the sitting bones. Take a deep breath in and sigh it out. And toes are pointing to the ceiling. Legs are hip width apart. And inhale, stretch the arms up, stretch out of the ribs. And keep that stretch and exhale, pivot at the hips, come forward, let your hands fall wherever they want, head down, and we hold it. And inhale, slowly roll up all the way to the top. Guys, I have a yoga pigeon. It's been on the wall that side, watching all this time. Now it's here, it's right next to the camera. It's gonna come this way. I think it wants some yoga. And next, this is a back bend. So this is where your pillow or your block comes in handy. What we're gonna do is we're gonna lie down onto the back, but we're going to take the block and place it in between the shoulder blades. Okay? Now, you can have the block like on the high setting, or you can lower it if this is too high for you. So you're going to take your foam roller, that's what you call it. You're going to take your foam roller and place it down, or you can take your pillow and make a nice little heap. If you don't have one of these, in between the shoulder blades, and you're going to lower yourself. And you're going to be here. Now I'm comfortable with my neck back, but if your neck hurts, that's when you need the second block and you place it there for the head. So one block in between the shoulder blades, the other one resting on the other block. Or if you want it stronger without the block, your arms you can have next to the body. If you take it out, you will start feeling the stretch into the chest. So if you want a stronger stretch, just take the arms out. You can even have them at the top. Then you'll feel more the stretch into the rib cage. So whatever you need today, you do that. and you close your eyes and you hold it. When you had enough, first bring your arms back next to your body, press into your elbows, lift the head very slowly, keep pressing into the elbows, then the hands, and slowly come out. You can definitely hold this a lot longer. We only held it for 30 seconds for the purpose of the video, but I can easily lie down like that for 4 or 5 minutes. Okay, it's really great since we're always contracting and inwards, especially when we're on the laptop or the phone. So it's great to open your chest and get that curvature in the back. So I hope you guys feel energized. This energized morning yoga routines in just 15 minutes. The tip of the day. So the tip I have for you, especially for the new guys, is not to stretch aggressively. Just do a soft stretch until you feel this stretch. Now a stretch is a bit of a tension you feel in your muscle, a discomfort. It's more like a tension. And once you hold that pose, and once your body feels a little bit more comfortable, then you're going to go a little bit further into the pose and stretch a little more. Your body will react more friendly towards you. If you're going to go straight hard, then your body's like, oh, what's going on? And your body's going to think it's in danger and it's going to contract and fight you. So if you want the body to stretch with you, then soft stretches, and rather hold it for longer. So hold it for 20 seconds, the body gets comfortable in that position, then go a little bit deeper, hold it another 20 seconds, and then go a little bit deeper. The body responds better that way. The body is engineered to react to danger, and if you're going to go strong and hard quickly, number one, you might pull a muscle. Number two, your body is going to fight you. Yeah, and I'm going to try and get that pigeon for you guys. I need to grab the camera and turn it. I hope not. It's going to fly away as I stand up. Let me see if I can get you the yoga pigeon. All right. Let's turn it. It's up there. Where is it? There. Can you guys see him? Oh, there he goes. Ah. He was here all the time watching. All right. Hope you guys have a wonderful day. If you're new here, my name is Al. I'm from yogagangeya.com. Subscribe if you want to see more of me. And if you enjoyed this, please hit the like button. If you don't hit the like button for me, at least like it for the pigeon. Okay, have a wonderful day. Ariom Tatsat.